Hey everybody, it's John with Freshwater Systems, and today I'm really excited to talk to you about our brand NeoPure. Who is NeoPure? NeoPure is a brand that we came up with at Freshwater Systems to create a line of filtration products and compatible filters that meet and exceed what's in the marketplace today. We have filter systems and we have a lot of different compatible filters that all fall into that same guideline as they meet and exceed what's available in the marketplace. What does NeoPure provide? A lot of different compatible filters and a lot of different filtration products, from reverse osmosis to ultrafiltration to simple filtration, and a lot of different compatibles that will fit in other products. We do a whole range of compatibles for like the water factory reverse osmosis systems, and they spec out and work just as well, if not better, than the OEM brands. What are the featured products under the NeoPure label? Well, for under-counter filtration equipment, we have a reverse osmosis system that we actually use in our pharmacy. Our pharmacy division has a reverse osmosis system and some other features in the pharmacy for reconstituting antibiotics. The NeoPure reverse osmosis system is kind of the basic foundation of that pharmacy. And it's the unit that we've chosen for the pharmacy, and we believe it's the best unit for our customers. Also, we have a ultrafiltration system, the TL3, and it gives us great filtration for lead reduction, chlorine and chloramine, as well as mechanically filtering down to 0.025 microns. That's pretty small, and it's smaller than most of the competitors. The cool thing about the NeoPure ultrafiltration system is its flow rate out of the faucet is about a gallon per minute, which is a lot better than what you typically find in the marketplace for ultrafiltration. We also have under-counter type filter units as the TL1, and it is designed to hook up directly to the cold water supply. Very easy install, perfect item for renters or apartment dwellers that can't drill a hole in the sink top for a special tap. This hooks right up to the cold water supply. So when you turn the cold water on the regular faucet, it's running through this filter. And that way you can get filtered water from the cold water faucet. You don't have to really do anything to alter the plumbing. The little adapter that comes with it can assemble onto the angle stop, and when it's time to go or you move on, you can just take that angle stop with you and put the riser back where you found it. Great little product. The other things that we offer are more into filter cartridges. We do a variety of compatibles. For example, this is a compatible for the AP217, an AquaPure product, and this little guy is just as good, or if not better, than the AquaPure. And it's economically priced, and that's one of the benefits of buying a compatible filter is you don't have to pay the OEM price. Our filters, our sediments, and our carbon blocks are used in all of the reverse osmosis systems out there that take drop-in cartridges. They're compatible with what else is in the marketplace, and they're really well rated. They've got great capacities, great flow rates, just a solid filter. And again, we were really specific when we have these made is to make sure that they meet our specifications and exceed what's available in the marketplace, because we really want to provide you with the best filter at the best price. Recently, we've just introduced the NeoPure line of ultraviolet disinfection systems. We go from small flow rates as low as 1 to 3 gallons per minute, and we go all the way up to pretty sizable units that can do up to 50 gallons a minute of disinfection. And we're really proud of the features that these systems have in the options for controllers. Intensity monitoring, there's some features built into the monitor that make sure that you change the lamp when you're supposed to. Most people that have UV systems do a pretty good job of replacing the lamp on an annual basis. But we hear from a lot of customers that don't. And if you don't replace the lamp on a timely basis, and most lamps last 375 days or 9,000 hours, if you don't replace the lamp, that lamp has lost its intensity. It's not providing disinfection. And sometimes when the alarm goes off to let you know that you need to replace the lamp, people will just reset the alarm and they'll trick the controller into thinking that a new lamp's been installed. Well, the NeoPure has some features where you can't trick the controller. It kind of holds your feet to the fire to make sure you replace that lamp annually, because if you don't, you're not going to be disinfecting, and that's what this is supposed to do. So we're really, really excited about the NeoPure ultraviolet system as the newest member to our NeoPure family. How do the NeoPure products compare to others? Well, we hope we did our homework, and we've compared to a lot of the products that are out in the marketplace to make sure that the specs on the NeoPure products meet and exceed what it is competing with. Ultraviolet process, reverse osmosis, simple filtration. We wanted to place these products into the market that you're getting as good, if not better, for a better price. What makes NeoPure a great brand? Well, like to point back to ourselves is that we drive high quality. We want this brand to grow to the point where it becomes very common. We're providing a great product at a great value. We're looking to continue to grow the brand with various products, expand our filtration capabilities, even into the light commercial business. But we're excited that the NeoPure brand is going to evolve and become a household name. The NeoPure brand is our baby, and we stand behind it. So we would like you to give it a try if you haven't already. Well, that's all I've got. Like our video, be sure and subscribe to our channel, and check out the great line of NeoPure products on our website, freshwatersystems.com.